Welcome to all. Myself Jesus Arani, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce from Sakti College of Arts and Science for Women in Otanjathuram. Let us discuss about advertising. The term advertising is derived from the Latin word advert, which means to turn the attention about the consumer in a particular product. And also, advertising is a promotional activity for a marketing in a particular commodity. In present day world of mass production and distribution, this advertising serves as a powerful tool in the marketing machinery. And also the advertising is a non-personal stimulation of a demand for a particular product. That means to stimulate their desire about the product and services. Next, to see about classifications. There are certain classifications is discussed about. First one, classification based on media. On the basis of media classification, that advertising is divided into print advertising, outdoor advertising, and also broadcast advertising. That means print advertising is nothing but a newspaper advertising, and also magazines, brochures, and also fillers. These are the advertising comes under print advertising. That means some of the message is given in a text content. That text content is comes under the printed format. Next, to see about outdoor advertising. The outdoor advertising is nothing but the advertising media that deliver the message when a people step out their home. That type of advertising is called outdoor advertising. These outdoor advertising included poster advertising, vehicular advertising, electric display advertising, sky advertising, advertising board, pamphlets, and such. That type of advertising or comes under this outdoor advertising category. And also broadcast advertising. That broadcast advertising is nothing but the to deliver their message in a picture format or animation format. That type of advertising is a broadcast advertising. That means television, radio advertising, internet advertising. These are comes under this type of broadcast advertising. Next, to see about classification based on geographic area. That means the advertising is divided on a category of geographic. That means global, nation, or region or local advertising. First, to see about global advertising. Global advertising is nothing but the advertising messages distributed. That means advertising messages given in all countries. That type of advertising is called a global advertising. And also next, to see about national advertising. The national advertising is to concentrated only in a major nation or religion. Some of the companies and brands that gives their advertising in a particular nations. And also lost retail advertising or local advertising. This advertising is given under the local areas. That means a particular category of people stay in a locality. On that basis, this local advertising is given a message in a particular locality. That means retail shops. And also next, to see about classification based on target audience. That means only to focus certain consumers or business peoples or professionalists or agriculturalists. First, to focus on consumer advertising, such as consumer advertising. That means to categorized on adults or youngest or old city old peoples. On that basis, to that type of advertisement given a particular message such a type of group of people. And also business to business advertising. It is nothing but the one type of business to concentrated on another business. On that basis, to given a message about that particular business. Next, to see about professional advertising. This advertising is only to targeted about certain type of professionalist, such as doctors, lawyers, or engineers, otherwise auditors. Only these peoples are focused on this type of advertising. Next, agricultural advertising. This advertising is only focused on the farmers for the purchase of seeds, tractors, and also other agricultural implements. Next, modern advertising. It is nothing but the traditional based advertising. Only it is developed on a current trend basis. First one, web banner advertising. It is nothing but the banner advertising, but that banner advertising is used on a web pages. That means in front of the web page or web banner designs are promoted to give a certain advertisement message. Next one, bandwagon advertising. It is nothing but the propaganda advertising techniques which aims at convincing the user to use a particular product. That means to favor of the brand, and also this is compels to the consumer to use about the particular type of advertising. Next, contextual advertising. Contextual advertising is nothing but it is only to focus on the internet marketing people, and also to selected automated system based and content being viewed by the particular users. Only that particular type of content is only view about a particular type of consumer. On that basis, this contextual advertising is given. And also black advertising. Black is nothing but simply a place. That means a selective place is chosen to give a particular type of advertising. Next, to see about mobile advertising. Mobile advertising is nothing but the advertising message is given in a mobile through on a mobile phone. That means that message will be given in a text format or image format, or sometimes in a picture format, but that particular type of message will be reached about the particular person on the basis of messages or otherwise WhatsApp groups or otherwise some internet basis messaged. Next, to see about advantages. There are certain advantages and disadvantages have these advertising. First, to manufacturer. That manufacturer, on the basis of manufacturer, advertising helpful to increase their sales volume about the particular product, and also it increase the net profit by to give their higher turnover of a sales. Next, to see about salesman. Salesmen have a certain benefits on the basis of this type of advertising. It is create a background for a particular product, and also to consumer have a previous knowledge about a particular product. So on that basis the salesman does to save their time and also to save their explanations about the particular product. And also advertising not only reduce the salesman job, but also it create a enthusiasm and confidence to a salesman. Next, wholesaler and retailer. On that basis, this type of advertising, the product will be increased their sales, and also the consumer to know about their particular product quality, quantity and price, how to use this product, whatever information is gathered about their particular advertisement. Last, to see about consumer. Consumer is nothing but those who buy the product, and also that particular person to consume their particular product. That type of person is known as a consumer. So advertising gives information about the price, quality of the commodity. So it guides a consumer to choose their particular product, which type of product should be suitable for their behaviors, and also it help to the consumer to locate the shop where the product is available, and also these advertisement educate the consumer about the availability of goods and services in a market and also their uses. Next to see about disadvantages, that means objections of a advertising. There are a lot of merits have a advertising, but it also have a certain defects. First one, economic objections. That means the advertising forces the people to desire and buy the particular things in fact or not within their means, and also it increase the cost of products, and also it result about monopoly. That means consumer becomes a slave for a particular brand. Next to see about social objection. That means most of the advertisement contain a tall claims and the benefit advertiser are not enjoyed in full, and also the press is influenced by the advertiser because they provide a major revenue for the existence of a newspaper. Last one, ethical objection. That means some of the unhealthy product is by to purchased by the consumer on the basis of effective advertising. That means liquors and cigarettes, these are the products or approaches about the people to buy the product and also to consume a particular product. Next, suppose sometimes the people with have a less purchasing power cannot afford to buy the articles, but these type of advertising create a strong need to purchase that particular product. So on that basis, these are the some objections have a particular type of advertising. Thank you for all.